Ever wonder what happens when you throw your waste into one dustbin? Let me uncover the chronicles of a trash bag for you. When we throw all our waste into one dustbin, the municipal collector, the garbage collector person, comes to your home, takes this bag and then takes it to a nearby municipal dustbin. Well, that dustbin is already overflowing, we all know that. And then this person throws our waste into that dustbin. The waste is kept intentionally there for few days so that cows, dogs, pigs and other stray animals can come and feed onto the waste there. Well, in the search of food waste, they are often exposed to the sharp items like scissors and knife and often get hurt. They are also exposed to the hazardous waste that we have put it into our bag. Well, then after few days, the bigger collection vehicles come in and then takes this waste to a nearby recycling facility or a transfer station to segregate this waste. Well, do you think that it is possible to now segregate the waste that we have already mixed it at the source? Have you ever tried khichdi? Once you mix dal and chawal and make khichdi out of it, do you think it is possible for you to separate dal and chawal now from this khichdi? Well, nobody can do this. So how can you imagine the poor people now separate our wet waste and dry waste or any other kind of waste from the mixed waste? Well, it is not possible. And then this all waste goes into either open burning or open dumping, and both of which causes toxic gases, releases toxic pollutants into the atmosphere, not only causing air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution, land pollution, and is a hazard to human health. Well, why I am telling you all of this? Because there's just one solution, and if we all can do this, this will save millions of people and the bigger problem of waste management. And that simple solution is segregate your waste. Let me open this trash bag for you. Well, this trash bag mostly contains 50 to 60% of your kitchen waste, which is also called as wet waste, and the other 30 to 40% is wood, paper, recyclable material, plastic, polythenes. This category of waste is dry waste, which can be easily recycled. The problem is that when we mix wet waste and dry waste, it ends up in nothing. But the moment you segregate into two categories, your wet waste can be easily composted because it is biodegradable in nature, and your dry waste can easily go into recycling. Now you must be wondering how to do composting. Well, let me tell you, composting is fun, easy and hassle-free once you learn the real art and science of composting. Let me tell you, there are some more reasons that why you should compost your wet waste. Firstly, it will solve the world's biggest challenge of waste management. We often blame our government and municipal authorities to take care of the waste problem. But do you realize that it's easy? No, it's impossible to manage the entire waste of the community. But if we treat our own waste, if we compost our own waste, we can solve this problem. Secondly, the wet waste, which is easily compostable, should not travel to so much longer distance because it takes a lot of energy for a waste to go from one place to another. And in the meanwhile, because it is biodegradable waste, it often starts degrading in the way and leading to bad smell. And that is the problem. So now, there are enough reasons to convince you that you should start composting now. If you're still thinking, skeptical, have some fears around composting, and still thinking how to start, where to start, well, Prakrit Innovations brings you an easy, fun way, hassle-free way of do-it-yourself composting kits at your doorstep. If you want to start your composting journey, click the link below or contact us on this number. Well, the do-it-yourself composting kits will offer you a comprehensive and complete solution to start your composting journey. It has all the tools and accessories required to start your composting. Click below to order your composting kit now. Thank you.